Meet Embroider Buddy, the original embroidery plush that started it all. We created the world's first embroiderable stuffed animal with a removable stuffing pillow. And it's honestly as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start by unzipping and removing the inner pillow. No ripping seams or fighting with tight spaces. I'm using my 5.5-inch mighty hoop for quick, easy hooping. It keeps everything perfectly flat and centered. Just position your buddy, line it up, and snap the hoop into place, and you're ready to stitch. Next, let your embroidery machine do its magic. I love watching this part. The design comes to life so smoothly on their soft plush fabric. With so many different designs and thread colors, the possibility of personalizing is endless. Embroider Buddy makes custom embroidery truly as easy as 1, 2, 3. And honestly, they embroider so beautifully. The fabric holds stitches perfectly and the finish looks so professional every single time. When it's done, unhoop it, pop the stuffing back in, and zip it up. Then you got yourself a professional personalized buddy that's ready to love. When it comes to quality plush embroidery, nobody does it better than Embroider Buddy.